Hi, Vinayak here. I've been on the lookout for a new backpack because my old backpack has begun to show its age. So, looking through Amazon, I found the God's Ghost minimal backpack. It's supposed to be a very popular backpack. So, let's see what the fuss is all about. This backpack was launched around a year back and it's been gaining popularity as a well designed backpack. So I thought, let's check what the fuss is all about. The God's Ghost is an anti-theft backpack, meaning the openings are not from the bag's front as it is with most backpacks, but only from the rear. The prices are Rs 2199 for the Daring Texture version and Rs 2349 for the Premium Smooth version. In this review, I have picked the Premium Smooth variant as I would be taking it to the office most of the time. The backpack has a remarkable minimal design, nothing too fancy except for the God's logo on the top and the word Ghost written at the bottom. The outer shell is reinforced with unbreakable fiber embedded sheets, which makes it tough to get through with knives due to its razor cut resistance. A rear opening which only can be accessed from its back helps prevent unauthorized access from thieves and pickpockets. One thing I like about the bag is that it can stand vertically even if it's empty. Also on the sides are two easy access pockets, one on each side, and they extend into the backpack. This allows to insert a full-size water bottle. Also, the water-resistant lining won't allow any water to leak into the inner compartment in case the bottle leaks. On the shoulder strap, we have an easy-to-access card storage pocket where you could store some money or your credit, debit, Metro cards. It's easy to access, not too big, but just enough. The zippers are made by YKK and have the Road Gods logo on them. The straps are well padded and even the back of the bag has sufficient padding. It feels comfortable when worn. In a few months we'll know exactly how well it ages. But we do have 1-year warranty, which I activated by SMSing the Amazon invoice to a WhatsApp number provided. The bag is also made of water-resistant polyester, which is a plus. It's not waterproof, so don't go running into heavy rain with it. There is a handle on top, but it doesn't seem to poke into my neck as many reviewers have seen, maybe because this is the version 2 model. The zippers are smooth and they have straps you can set so the zips don't open up all the way. The zippers are on the inside, so no one will be able to access it from behind. The bag has ample space inside and it opens up flat. The back portion has a compartment for a 15.6-inch laptop and some pockets are present below. A zippered compartment is available to store your laptop charger. Cable management straps are also provided. Now on to the main compartment. Again, pockets galore. On top we have a zippered storage for sunglasses. In the center we have 2 more pockets. I can easily insert an iPad in there. There's another pocket right below that too. To the left and the right we have small pockets. There's ample room even after the pockets are filled. I managed to get in 2 pants and 2 t-shirts and it looks like it can take more, which is dependent on your packing style. It's enough for a day or 2. The padding on the straps and back are adequate and will not hinder you from wearing it for long periods of time. The bag looks good, has ample space and is comfortable to wear for long periods of time. But if you need more pockets on the outside of the bag, this might not be the one for you. A pretty impressive backpack, I like it, so can guarantee recommend it to you if you travel by bus or the metro, or even ride a bike. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added. Thank you for watching.